Miami, India. Today we have Alcazar. That's our new 7-seater from Hyundai. And let's check out the car. Okay, so today we have the new Hyundai Alcazar 7-seater SUV, and we have entered this beautiful car. It's a 7-seater car, as you can see. Also, it comes with a very new techs and engine powers. So let's start the car. And here we go. The car is on, and as you can see, this is the steering wheel. It's a classy steering wheel with a sporty edge right here, and there's a cruise control, media control. Even it have the and you can see here that this car have pedal shifters, and the quality is very nice. As I can see here, it's very nice. So that's the tachometer right there. It's totally digital. As you can see, I think it's in the sports mode right now. Okay, so as you can see here, it's a big infotainment system. It's really quite comfortable and quite smart system, and it doesn't lag, not even a bit. So here's the AC control. AC is quite good, as you can see. I mean, you can hear the air vents, and also it gets the auto climate control, obviously. Here's the gear of the car. It's quite like Creta, but it's comfortable. Yeah, it's very, it's not at all hard. And here you get the drive traction control. It's quite good, this one. Here you get the parking brakes, auto hold, view. Okay, so when I press this button, view, so let's see if it works. So here you can see that when I press this drive, okay, this drive button right here, as you can see, when I press this, there's eco mode, there's sport mode, and there's a comfort mode. As you can see, comfort mode, eco mode, sport mode. And as you can see, the dials color change to red when it's in sport, and in eco also in red, and in comfort also it is red. Yeah. Okay, so here we get the traction control, the snow, the sand, and the mud. It's quite easy, it's quite techy. So yeah, here you get the wiper everything, wiper switch, and the headlight. So here you get a mirror with a SOS sign, a tow sign, and I think a blue link sign. Okay, yeah, it's a blue. So here's the rear view mirror. It's quite good. Here you can see it's a panoramic sunroof. So let's see the panoramic sunroof. Here's the light actually. Let me first. This is a cool feature. When you press this, both the lights get on. And here's the sunshade. You don't get any mirror. Here also you get a big mirror. It's a big mirror, as you can see here. And you get airbag system. And as you can see, the glove box, it's quite big. Yeah. And here comes the ambient lighting. Let me just show you the ambient lighting. lights. Here you can see the ambient lighting option. When I touch the ambient lighting, it's right now it's green light, as you can see here, and I'll be changing it to red, sunrise red, and here you can see it's red now, yellow. Yeah, it turns to yellow, white and blue. This is amazing. Light quality is very good, and this is the one touch indicator. Door option, cluster, you can change everything in the cluster. Now it's a theme B, I guess. Oh wow, it changes to a new classic cluster. Yes, let's go to theme C. Oh, it's very
Friend, then you'll be just getting the leather.
yes, and this one is kind of very techy, very sporty.
There's a lot of things that you can do with, sir. And
As you can see here, the car door. As you can see, car door. If the door is open, it shows here. It's a very good function. Now it's closed. Yeah. So here you get the air purifier. As you can see, it's a big storage here. Yes, you can keep I guess not very much space, but you can keep a good amount of, like you can keep your purse, your phone or something. Not much. Yeah, I'll just keep it back. Here you get the two cup holders. It's quite big cup holders. Yes. Here you get a USB charging port, USB, and a charging 12-volt charging socket. Right there you can see. So here, as you can see, I'm inside the Alcazar in the back seat, and the seat is quite good. It's very comfortable. Yeah, it's very on the hard side. I can say it's not the softer one, because as I can I go back, it's very it's very hard. It's not the soft leather, I guess. And of course, here as you can see, there's no thigh support here, although it's good, but it's not it's not that comforting at this level of car. And you can see here the armrest. It also does have some storage space here. Yeah, as you can see here, right? And it's totally, I guess, yes, you only can keep the purse and all the things. Here is the wireless charging pad right here. You can see the wireless charging pad here. Yes, it's quite good with the Cool-in technology. And that's it. This is the kind of, yeah, it's good, but it's not working right now. As you can see, the headrest is a good support. I'm a 5'8" guy, 5'8" inch, and yes, I can say, I guess it's good for a 6 feet too, but it's not that at comforting level, as you can see here. And yes, that's it. Let's go on the back seat. So, yeah, you have to climb a bit here. Okay, so I'm at the back seat. I can say that back seat is more comfortable than the middle sitting row, and yeah, it's very it's very comfortable, I guess. But here's the armrest placing. Of course, it's a large seat. It's a 7-seater, and right now we are sitting in the 6-seater one, I guess. It's not a 7-seater. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's a 6-seater SUV in which I am sitting right now. And yeah, you have a AC vent here. You have a light there, as you can see, a torch light, and also you can control the AC from here. As you can see, you get a USB charging socket right here, and again a vent. And yeah, I guess the last seat is more comfortable, and it gives you the commanding position a bit, not fully, but a bit. And yeah, that's it. You get a quite good height right in the back, but obviously you can't sit. Not a big person can sit in the back. Only, I guess it's meant for the kids, for small kids. So let's go and see the trunk.
So you can see the space in third row. Nice space given. This is for spare stools, and this is third row. बहुत अच्छा लेग रूम है थर्ड रो में. Nice car. See the panoramic sunroof. See the center console. Very broad and nice with ice cube LEDs, ice cube fog lamps like Palisade. Hello, now you can see when I turn the right indicator, just see the effect on the center console. See, you can see the right indicator, rear view, side view of the right side when you turn the right indicator. Now when you turn the left indicator, see the effect. See, now what you see is the left side, rear and side. So this is what is the difference between Creta and Alcazar. This is the center console. Panoramic sunroof. Very nice. Front seats are ventilated. Okay, you can adjust the second row AC from here, and this is center arm console. Very nice.